Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we'll show you how to disable Chrome Auto Sign In on your PC. Let's get started. Step 1. Open Chrome. Launch the Chrome browser on your computer. Step 2. At the top right corner, click on More. Look for the three dots icon and give it a click. Step 3. Select Settings. This will take you to the Chrome settings page. Step 4. Click on Sync and Google Services. Look for the section that manages synchronization and Google services. Step 5. Turn off Allow Chrome Sign-In. Locate the option that controls Chrome's auto sign-in feature and toggle it off. And that's it. You have successfully disabled Chrome Auto Sign-In on your PC. By disabling the auto sign-in feature, you have more control over your browsing experience. We hope you found this tutorial helpful. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more useful tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.